everybody, welcome back to another episode of Recipe or Disaster. We make the recipe for you, give it our review. So today we're going to be doing a recipe by Food Network Canada called Bacon Wrapped Brussels Sprouts with Creamy Lemon Dip. Big shout out to Michelle for the recommendation, and also a big shout out to Joe for putting together our brand new logo for the site and for the show. So thank you guys very much, we really appreciate it. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get all our videos. Of course, you want to make sure you're getting that content always. Make sure it's always coming to you. Alright, before we get started, I just wanted to say that was a good effort last week. You guys made it, we made it to like 153 views, I think. Just a little bit over halfway to the 300 mark. So thankfully, I'm thankful that I don't have to drink a sardine, smoothie. But maybe we'll do that again in the future, where we do that challenge again, and you guys can pick out a nasty, funky thing for me to drink. All right, let's get into this thing. Let's go ahead and get those Brussels sprouts prepped. Now it's bacon time. Everybody loves bacon. It's supposedly making these Brussels sprouts better. We'll see if that's the case or not. Not a fan of Brussels sprouts myself. My wife loves them, but me, not so much. We'll see if bacon actually does make them better. Time to bake! Alright, let's get those sauces made. You saw the finished product, and here they are in all their glory. Here we go. Not even really tasting the maple at all, maple syrup. Most of it seems like it just leaked out and went to the bottom and got burned. Here, I'm doing a close-up real quick. Here we go. And as you can see right there, we got a bunch of burnt maple syrup on these Brussels nuggets. All right, so let's try some dipping sauce. We got two of them to try out. Let's see what happens here. First up, I'm gonna try the mayonnaise and lemon. Weird combo. All right, let's do it. I need a napkin, hold on. That is both a waste of mayonnaise and lemon. That is a bad combination. That dip, I'm gonna go ahead and rate it right now on a scale from 1 to 10. That dip gets a -5 all day. -5. Don't even do it. Pointless. I guess if you're, you like to suck on lemons and have some, I can't even describe it. It's so, no, it's not good. Not good at all. All right, so next up we got the maple syrup, black pepper, and chili flakes dipping sauce, and I'm hoping this one's a little better. You get a little bit of heat in there, and let's go ahead and try this. Double dipping. That dipping sauce by itself, I'm gonna give this probably an 8 out of 10. That's really good, actually. It complements everything well. The bacon gives it, with the smokiness, you get that sweet from the maple syrup. You get that tiny bit of heat coming in off the red pepper flakes. It's really nice. Actually, works really well with this. So, dipping sauces. Mayonnaise one, stay away. Maple syrup one, all day. So, what am I gonna give this out of 10? I'm gonna give this a 9 out of 10. Absolutely. I did not like Brussels sprouts before, but after this, I'm a believer, oh yeah.
10 out of 10.
Wife says 10 out of 10. I'm going 9 out of 10.
I'm going 10 out of 10.
Gotta do this all day. Do it. It's good. Stay away from this. The mayonnaise and the lemon. Bad, just really bad. Go with this. Maple syrup and chili flakes and pepper. Well, that is it for today, everybody. Thank you all for watching, and make sure you share with your friends on Facebook and Instagram and Twitter, or wherever. Just share. Share the love, share the food. We'll see you next week. Everybody take care until then.